Alright. So this fan is on one switch, right? It's all on that switch, right? So the fan itself works, so when I pull this chain, the light should turn on, right? Wrong. I also checked the bulb in here, and the bulb works, so the bulb isn't burned out. So the bulb isn't burned out, and the power to the fan's on, and the light itself and the fan itself, they're both on one switch. So it's not that obviously the fan switch is on. Yeah, this is the only switch in my room. What other switch would go to that fan? Think about that for a second. So, if someone could tell me what's going on, why this light isn't working, that would be amazing.